Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get your nails done DIY style under 3,000 naira. Yes, you heard me, under 3,000 naira. So if you've been at home during this lockdown and you want to fix your nails, you just want to change your look but you can go out and do it, stick around and find out how. Or if you've had your nails done before the lockdown and you're tired, you want to change it, stick around and find out how you can do it under 3,000 naira. So the items I will be using will be written out in the description box. Stick around and let's get right to it. Okay guys, so you want to get your cotton pads. I have this one here. I got it for I think 1,000 naira. And then your nail dissolver, I think this you get it in the regular market or store, you get it for like 200 naira. So you want to get that on your cotton pad. You're going to want to clean your nails with it. Okay, so after that you're going to get a file. I got this for 200 naira as well in the market. You file your nails just so that it holds the glue well. I'm going to be using these two. I got them a while back. I got them for 1,000 each. Yes, no, 1,000. Sorry, both 1,000. Yes, that's 500 Nigerian currency, 500 naira each. So yes, it comes with its own adhesive, nail adhesive, but I prefer to use the ones made for nails itself because I think these are stronger. So this is a nail adhesive, one drop in any bond, that's what it's called. I got this for 200 naira. So after doing that, I'm going to take the nails out. They're so pretty, by the way, really pretty. And then I'm going to pick out according to the size of my fingers. I think this is the size. It's a big. You have to measure it before applying. So I'm going to, where's the file? I'm going to be filing the edges a bit, just so it's a perfect fit for me. And then I'll be applying the nail adhesive on the professional nail, covering the moon area. I hope you guys can see it. Then I'm going to be taking that and pressing on against my nails for 30 seconds. Yep, and that's it. It's stuck there. So you want to do that for you keep measuring as you take it. You don't want to use a nail bigger than the size of your nails. Another way you might want to first measure your nails and then just pull it out like this, so that it's easy for you to know which is going where. And yeah, so I'm doing this to the other hand. You apply your nail adhesive on the moon of your nails. This is the moon of your nails, just this bend like this. Yes, you apply the adhesive there, turn it over, and then press it down for 30 seconds. And it sticks. Easy peasy. So with this type, in 5, 10, 15 minutes max, you should get your nails done. You probably want to start with the hardest hand. That's like using your left to do your right hand. So you probably want to start with your right hand. Then this is always easy. Doing this is always easy. So yeah. Hi guys, so yes, this is it finished. You can do this in less than 20 minutes. If you liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Till I see you guys in my next video. Bye.